Hi everybody, Elizabeth Cohen from CNY Physical Therapy and Aquatics. Today I'm going to be showing you some techniques that will help to work on loosening up some muscles in your chest and stomach and help you to relax during these stressful times. So, the first one we're going to work on is some diaphragmatic breathing. So what you're going to do is you're going to place one hand on your sternum and one hand on your belly. Now all we're going to do is take some nice deep breaths. You want to try to breathe through your nose. Nice and slowly out. Now when we do this, we want the hand that's on our stomach to expand. And we want the hand that's on our chest to stay nice and relaxed. You really shouldn't have any movement underneath the hand on your chest. Now when we get stressed out, we use our neck muscles and our chest to breathe, and so it looks more like this. Now when we breathe more relaxed, it looks more like this. Now you can see I don't have any movement underneath my hand. My shoulders aren't raising up. I'm taking nice and relaxed breaths. You want to take some nice slow breaths in and even slower breaths out. I usually count to about 5 for a breath in and about 8 for a breath out. Now you don't want to force it though, just keep it nice and relaxed, and if you can't breathe that long, that's okay. This is something you have to practice. But the more we work on that, the more we'll be able to kind of help to relax everything and get our body to breathe more correctly. Now next, in the same position, we're going to work on just relaxing all the structures in through here. So one hand's on my chest, on my sternum again, one hand's on my belly, and I'm just going to draw my hand that's on my belly down towards my thighs. I'm just letting my hands sink into my belly and just draw down towards my thighs, towards the seat of the chair. We're just going to hang out there, and you'll feel some stretching, especially underneath your rib cage. This is helping to relax your diaphragm. So we're going to hang out here for about 5 minutes. And once that feels easy, you can even take your hand that's on your sternum and stretch it up. And that will kind of create a stretching sensation in through your midsection. Now a lot of times when we're stressed, we curl in like that, so that gets pretty tight in through there. So by doing it this way, you help to stretch it back out. Okay. Now the last exercise I'm going to teach you guys today is going to help to relax the structures in through your back and pelvis. So you're going to take one hand, you're going to put it on your back, right about here. The other hand's on the stomach. And again, you can do this either sitting or lying down, whichever's easier for you. And I just hang out here. And I'm not forcing anything. I'm not even pulling down, pulling up. I'm literally just using the very light pressure of my hand on my stomach and my hand on my back, and I'm imagining them connecting. So you want to kind of imagine a light between your two hands. And there's no real pressure with this. All we're doing is hanging out here. We're going to hang out here for again about 5 minutes. And that's going to help to relax the structures in through your lower back and pelvis. Just keep everything nice and relaxed. Let your body sink down into the chair or whatever your surface you're sitting on or lying on. And let your hands sink into your body. Now again from the side. Again, my hands on my low back, other hands on my stomach. Basically just kind of relaxing everything. Alright, well that's all I have for you today. Check in a couple days and I'll have some additional exercises and techniques for you. If you have any questions about anything in this video, feel free to send me an email at cnypt.liz@gmail.com. Have a great day.